Guys, here is the complete tutorial of ITR-1 filing. But before the tutorial gets started, do subscribe and thanks for your subscribe.
Hello everyone. Today I'm here to show you how do we file ITR-1 returns. So the filing has to be done by 31st of July, which is tomorrow. Today is 30th of July. So things that you need to keep ready before you file your returns uh, is Form 16, and you can also download 26 AS from the income tax portal while filing your returns. So you can view your 26 AS, and also you can download AIS and TIS, which is annual information system and tax information system uh, that shows the different transactions that you have done for the last fiscal year, and also the tax that you are liable to pay to income tax department. So I'll show you how do we file, and I have pre-filled some of these elements. So just select ITR-1. So say individual, confirm, select ITR-1, proceed, continue. Okay. So just giving the conditions which ITR to be selected. Just ignore this one. Just go back to dashboard, file now, slowly. So things that you need to have in hand are your interest paid from home loan statement and principal that is paid against home loan, and any deductions that you are claiming, LIC, PPF, ELSS, and all of those things you should keep it handy, and your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your date of birth, your income tax portal login ID and password. So these are the prerequisites that are required, uh, that are essential for you to start filing your income tax returns. So give your password, ID and password. Secure. Just secure. Continue. So it takes you to the dashboard, and you can download form number 26 EAS, which gives you the details of salary that was paid by your employer and the tax that you paid to income tax department. And you can also download 26 AS and TIS and AS, which are again the transactions that you made during the last fiscal year, and also the tax that you are liable to pay to income tax department. Here for our filing, we are selecting 22-23 current assessment year. Online, continue. So I have a draft, so I'll just show you what all things were done in ITR-1. So ITR-1 is applicable if you have a single source of income through salary, and also you have dividends and interest from savings account, fixed deposits. All of these things, if you are having, then you are eligible for ITR-1. So if you have short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains, then you should select ITR-2. So if you are also doing intraday and any other business, so you should file ITR-3. So first thing is, all this information is pre-filled based on 26 AS and TAS. So you just need to open each of these things and verify if the details are accurate. If any of these details are not accurate, you can modify it based on what is correct. So here we are filing 139(1), which is like filing returns before the due date. So just select all of these things. So if you are eligible for any returns, you should definitely have one bank account for you to get a refund. So select at least one bank account for you for income tax department to uh, give you returns. I'm sorry, refund. So personal information is fine, and look at your gross total income. So you can check your form 16 for that. Just check, just open your form 16 and check what is the what is what is the total income, and what is the salary that you are getting, and what are the deductions that you have. So deductions as such, the standard deductions, and professional tax or the employment tax that you will have is the standard deductions. And just cross verify if these numbers are matching, and yeah, these things you can skip these questions. uh, so here, I've checked under 16, under 16 section. So you'll have standard deduction of 50,000 plus 2,400 of employment tax or professional tax. So income chargeable under head of salaries is 7,92,612. Now if you have a home loan, again, the principal is can be claimed under section 80C, which will be covered in deductions, and also the interest that is paid during the last fiscal year can be claimed under income from house property. So just add income from house property here, and so here in my case I have added 2 lakhs in interest that was paid during the last fiscal year. So any amount beyond 2 lakhs can be claimed under a different section that will be covered in the deductions part. So income from other sources, if you have any interest earned from your savings account, post office, or any other thing that is available in our TIS as well, just cross check and then select this particular portion. So under a different section, TTA, so this particular 323 rupees can be deducted. So interest earned from savings account up to 10,000 is not taxable. So just say confirm. So now look at deductions. Deductions under 80C, you can claim 1.5 lakhs, and under 80D, for self you can claim 50,000. Sorry, for self it is 25,000, and for parents it is 50,000. So you can claim 75,000 under 80D, and if you don't have 75,000 of medical insurance applied during the last fiscal year, you can add a 5,000 of preventive maintenance bills. So these bills need not require documents, but these are preventive maintenance health checkups. So up to 5,000 can be added under section 80D. So under section 80C, 1.5 lakhs can be added, in which you can uh, you can claim for LIC, PPF, fixed deposits, and also ELSS mutual funds, equity related mutual funds. So all those things can be done here because of form 16. That 1.5 lakhs is already added, and you can also see the total deductions. Total deduction summary can be looked here. Just click on see details. It's taking some time to respond. This last one one day, so expect the portal to be busy with a lot of people logging in and filing their returns. So see total deductions, and you can see what are the deductions that you have under the section 80C, 80E, section 80, 80EEA is the additional interest that you can claim uh, beyond 2 lakhs. Up to 2 lakhs can be claimed under house property where the interest is paid, and beyond 2 lakhs whatever amount is paid can be claimed under 80EEA. So which is 63,004 in my case. So health insurance is also added here, and just click on confirm. Total deductions are done. Just check on total tax paid. Total tax paid you can verify using your TIS. Just look at TIS. So TIS, this is your TIS. So process value. This is the salary that we got, and the interest that we have. So, and also if you look at AIS, so this is AIS. It will show you the tax that you paid during the last fiscal year. This is against your salary. So just match that number here. So 8805, that matches. Just confirm. So all this is clear. Tax paid is clear. Total deductions is clear. Gross total income is clear. My personal information is clear. So just go to total tax liability and look at summary. So now in this case the total tax liability is 0. So total gross income is 5,92,935, out of which total deductions is 2,22,040. Total deductions meaning 80C, 80D and 80EEA, in which additional interest that is paid against home loan is claimed. Now the total income comes to 3,70,900. So if you look at calculations, so tax payable on total income is 6,045. But if your taxable income is below 5 lakhs, you get a rebate of you get the rebate of whatever tax you are liable on. So after rebate under section 87A, the total tax due is 0. So there is no tax that is payable, and all of these sections are not applicable because total tax payable is 0. Total interest and fee is also 0, and total tax and interest and fee, every of these sections are not applicable, since this particular individual is not incurring any additional tax. So just say confirm. So you are done. Click proceed. This is what is giving. So just proceed. So it is showing me a refund of 8,810 rupees. So just look at all these details. Just look at gross income details. It will give us a summary of what exactly our taxable income is, and what are the different deductions that we used to reduce our taxable income. So here under house property we use 2 lakhs, which is on the interest we paid to bank. So in this case, the interest total paid is 2,63,000. So the remaining 63,000 is shown under 80 EEA, 63,004. Under 80D, we have a medical insurance of 9,000 that is claimed. Under 80C, which is life insurance, PPF and ELSS, postal, everything, it is claimed under 80C, that is up to 1.5 lakhs. So and and other deduction is the 323 rupees of savings bank interest. So all put together, my the total taxable income is 3,70,000. So total interest is zero. Total tax paid till date is 8,805. So now the total refund I am eligible for is 8,810 rupees. So just click on preview return. So it gives the details, just confirming that about my filing details. So if the return has been prepared by a tax return preparer, give further details below. So in my case, I'm self-filing. There's no other information required to enter. Just proceed to preview. So it is giving me a preview of what all sections that I've entered or verified on for the pre-filled data, and it is asking me to verify and download this data. So just check on these elements on if you're opting for a new tax regime. No. So uh, are you filing uh, for any request that is given by the income tax department? No. So we are filing this in advance. So all these things you can just self verify. So you can also check the bank account number and details for amount that has to be created. So and you can just download a copy of this for your reference, and there's an option of download. This gets downloaded in your local desktop, which you can view it later. So I can view it right straight away. So this open it. So this is a document for your reference. What how we have entered. It's a summary of what all sections that you have entered, and it is giving you a PDF on that. So just scroll down and say proceed to validation. So there are 4 errors that are found. So we'll have to click on this all of these errors and solve them. So it gives us, please enter amount against nature of exempt. Please enter amount against nature of exempt. So there are some sections that are selected, but we haven't entered any amount against them. So the sections that we have entered, so you should go back and delete this particular sections. So this is not applicable, delete it. And simply say delete. Simply say delete. So these are the errors that we have received. So just say delete against these particular sections, because the sections were selected, but there's no data. So These are not applicable, so you can simply delete these sections. So just say preview return and proceed. Let's download a copy for your reference. Proceed to validation. So see, after some of the sections that are selected and values were 0, those sections were deleted under taxable income from salary. So after those sections were deleted, now the validation is successful and there's no errors. Proceed to verification. Please note that it is mandatory to verify the return. Revision of this return is not possible unless verified. So let's say verify now. E-verify now. So you can use your Aadhaar OTP. Let's so I would like to use Aadhaar OTP. Continue. I agree. Generate Aadhaar OTP. Just waiting for the Aadhaar OTP to be generated. So the tax returns are filed. Once you enter the Aadhaar OTP, the returns are also verified. So you can see this, and returns are verified while the processing is done and the completion is done. So you should be able to get your returns. Thank you.
Hope this tutorial is helpful to all of you out there. Do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Meet you in the next video. Keep smiling.